Christmas ago, I and the kids built this beautiful gingerbread house. If you haven't seen that video, I have dropped the link in the description. Go and watch that video. It's a must-watch video. Today's video is on how I made the dough for the gingerbread house. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll be needing for this gingerbread dough. So I'll drop detailed measurements in the description below. You need your brown sugar, you need your grounded ginger, cinnamon, 1 egg, baking soda, your plain flour, and your butter. Your mixer bowl, put in your brown sugar and your butter. Mix it until it is creamy. Next, you add in your egg and keep mixing until everything is properly combined. Here are the dry ingredients mentioned earlier: the flour, the cinnamon, the ginger, baking soda, and pinch of salt. You mix it together just like you see me doing here. Then you add it into your mixer bowl and you give this a good mix. And keep mixing until everything is properly combined and it forms a dough. Then after the dough is formed, take it out of the mixer and onto a clean work surface and knead. You can sprinkle some icing sugar on the surface so that the dough don't stick to the surface, and you knead until you have this perfectly looking gingerbread dough. And that's it. So like I said before, if you haven't watched how we made the gingerbread house, please just click the link in the description box and go and watch that video of how we made the house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.